Wait, I just realized I made a mistake and my my mic was muted on my headphones, bro. Oh my god. Okay. I'm not doing that intro. Oh yeah, of course I gotta do the intro again. But all right. Just I don't know, editor, just do something, bro. Make it work. I don't want to do that again. But basically, all right, let's get into the basics of HTML. HTML is a hypertext markup language, and we're gonna use that. If people say is not a programming language, it is. I don't know. I really don't care. But we're gonna use that to make websites. We're gonna talk about HTML. We're gonna talk about CSS, and then we'll get into JavaScript later. But as of now, we're gonna start with HTML, and go get your notebook. I'm gonna wait. Go get you a notebook because we're gonna be needing notes. You need to have VS Code already downloaded. There's multiple videos online. Make sure it's Visual Studio Code, not just Visual Studio. Okay, it should be this one right here. You see this blue thing right here? Get this, okay? And have your folder. You can call it web practice, call it whatever you want. Just yeah, I'll wait. All right, so now that you did that, let's start writing notes. So first things first, what let's talk about the overall structure of a website. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and come right here. I think we already made something, but Spidey, we already made something, but let's do it again just in case you forgot. We're gonna call this folder my first website, and inside of here we're just gonna make for the HTML file you have to have the extension as HTML. So you can call it whatever you want. A lot of people call it index. I call it home. Doesn't matter. I'm just gonna go with index.html for now. Yes, you wanna do that. And then we'll get into CSS later. All right, we're gonna get into CSS. But for now, let's go ahead and make it. It's good practice. All right, so all you want to do is you right click, open with. You want to open this with VS Code. All right, boom. So here's the thing. When we first start off, we're gonna write our structure ourselves, like since it's the first time. But you can use something called emit abbreviation, and it makes it so much faster. We're gonna get into that and how to use it, but we're gonna do that later because we're starting off right now. So look, you start off like this. You have these arrow tags or whatever, and you see this doc type right here. This is why I love using VS Code, because you know, right there in case you forget it or you say or you type it wrong or whatever. Boom, we got doc type HTML. That's okay. Now next is we want to make the header section, the head, not header, my fault. The head section is basically all the information about the web page goes there. So like the title of it, the language of it, you know, etc. We're gonna do it like that. Boom. Okay. I don't know what happened to the recording, but okay. We'll start over not from the beginning, but from right here. So basically, you start with the opening tags, exclamation point, doc type. Now after this, we're going to make our second pair of HTML tags. So you do HTML. Now we choose our language. So lang, and it's going to equal to en for English. All right, cool. Now everything in your website goes in between these tags. Every single thing. All right. Let's start with the for body structure. After you put that, you start with the head. The head contains the title, um, the viewport. We'll get into more stuff later, but as of now, here's what we're gonna do. We're just going to do head. Hang on, my music. I'm just gonna stop my JBL from playing. I'll just probably play music next time. Now that we have the head, let's start with you want these tags right here. So you meta charset UTF-8. What that means is editor. you know what to do. I was gonna explain that. But now you have that. Next, you want to have the viewport, but we don't okay, I'll get into that next time. Like, I know I just keep saying I sound like a broken record, but I'm gonna get into that next time for real. So as of now, all we need now is the title, and the title is going to be my first website or whatever. Cool. This is all we need right now. All we need. Now, that's for the header, okay? Or not the header, the head. The body is next, okay? That's the structure. You got the head, you got the body, you got the footer. Boom. So, and the body, everything that you actually see, that you view on the website goes in the body. So, basically, you have the head that includes the title, you have your little icon, you have all your stuff at the top. Then the body is the main stuff, the meat of the page, you know what I'm saying? And then, people have like a footer at the bottom of it too, but that also goes in the body, alright? So, you get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You got the head, the body, the foot, but the foot is a part of the body. So, like, at the bottom, we'll also have like a footer right here. And that's typically how you'll see most web pages, like, structured for real. Alright, next. Oh, boom. Okay, so let's also let me show you something easy. If you're, because when you start coding websites and stuff, it's gonna start looking a little bit wacky, bro. Shift Alt F, boom, puts the space in there, makes it like, it saves your life for real. So inside the body, here's what you want to do. We're gonna have also here's an extension of this is why I love VS Code. There's different extensions and stuff you can do, so you find that right here. And the extension you want to get is called Live Server. It's right here. All you gotta do is install this, and when you install it, here, let me go back to my thingy or whatever, thingamajig. So when you install this, what happens is, you see right here, you have a click to run live server. That way you can see while you code. You get to see. It's so much easier.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on, boy. You get your goddamn ugly ass on.
Real quick. Thank you. Alright. We're back. Sorry about that. Okay. So we're gonna run our server right here. And boom. We're gonna, I don't know what type of computer you got, but I like to split screen it. If your screen isn't big enough, then you could just make it a little bit smaller like that, drag it. But I'm doing mine like this right now. Now, let's talk about the different elements and stuff. So we have here, how about this? For right now, we'll get into the elements later, or literally next video I'm gonna give you right after this. But for right now, we're just gonna say, hi, this is my first web page. Look, there you go. It's right here. And that's it for video 1. Just the overall basics, and now we're gonna get into the all right.